Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Instagram videos and Reels. So for this purpose, first you need to open Instagram app on your mobile device. Then at the bottom you have this Reels option, you simply need to click on it. Or just open that reel which you want to download. From here select that reel which you want to download. Then on the right side you have this arrow, you simply need to click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here at the bottom left corner you have the option of download, you simply need to tap on it. Then you can see your that reel is on downloading. In a while in your gallery you can see this video is downloaded. If you want to download your unuploaded videos or reels, so go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then here select that video or reel which you want to download. Then repeat the same process, click on this arrow button and then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of download, you simply need to click on it. So it's very simplest and easiest way to download Instagram videos and reels. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.